So if you're having trouble sending SMS on your smartphone, and to solve this, you turn off the SIM and turn it back on, still not working. Turn on and off airplane mode, still not working. Or even try to clear cache or to the extent of clearing storage of the message app, but all these are not working. Then try this too. Just go to your dialer, then punch in this code *#4636 ##*. Select phone information, then scroll down to the SMSC slot. Now type in your SMSC number. I'm using MTN Ghana, so this is my SMSC number. You can contact the customer service of the network you are using for their SMSC if you don't know it. So after you have typed in your SMSC number, then you click on update, and that's it. Let's go back and check the results. Please note that this method only works when the problem is SIM related. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.